Hello again, back again. I just thought I'd do a quick video because I've been playing about with this padlock opening set I got from UK Lockpickers. So I've just been doing a little bit, practicing and everything, as you do. I've got this here a 5-lever padlock. This one does say made in England here. This one was the hardest one I found because I had trouble for ages. Sometimes I'd get it and sometimes I wouldn't. Oops, hang on a minute. Helps if I lock it. And it turns out with this particular one, you need to kind of pull it forward a bit, like that, and get the pack to bind a little bit. Once I'd worked that out, I started to get more success more often. I'm just going through giving them all a little nudge at that time. I won't be able to do it now. Yeah, a bit of movement on that tension now. And a bit more. Some days I get this really quick. It's there we go. So that's that one. Yeah, once I've worked that out, things were a lot better. So this is the one what was kindly sent to me by Alan himself at UK Lockpickers. All works fine. This one you don't have to do the pulling forward and binding so much. Hang that on there. It's easier to open. So same again, just give them all little nudges. Hang on, let me just start that one again. He says, easier to open, he says. There we go. I did pull that forward a bit more just to see if it makes a difference. Normally it doesn't, but I don't know. It's turning there, nearly there. There we go. And that's that one. So that's that. And then thought I'd finish off with good old Squire 660. Because why not? Cox is done one recently, and so was Roy Salmon. So, and I do just like picking on this. This is the first lock I got, which was from Jeremy Frater, and same wire again. And yeah, really enjoy them now. So I don't know what log to get next to progress upwards a bit. I don't know if anyone's got any ideas what you can put in the comments down there. All ideas gratefully received. There you go. Like Roy says, not a difficult log to pick, especially when you start getting the feel for what you're doing. So that's it. My new Lockpickers padlock kit from UK Lockpickers, doing what it's supposed to. Thanks ever much for coming, everyone, and see you next time. Bye for now.